In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game EndlessJourney on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. But you have some nice games on Steam which are much cheaper. So I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. What you need to do is go to the Steam website and after that search for the game EndlessJourney. Select it and we scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is already available from €2.99. Once you have decided to download this game, click on add cart and then you will finish the payment to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!